guys, hey girls, DIYers. Thanks again for tuning in. Ask Antonio. I had a few minutes. I just received a question from one of my many followers. Her name is Claudia, and she lives in Cherry Hill, New Jersey. And it's kind of funny. Well, I guess it's not funny, but her husband has been supposedly gonna fix the toilet that's been running for a month now straight. It's losing water from the tank. It keeps running on and off all night long while she's sleeping, and it makes her crazy, and she can't sleep, and she ends up getting up in the middle of the night because he won't get up and shutting off the toilet. So she wants to know how to fix that problem because he keeps telling her he's going to get to it. So, Claudia, here's the problem. What you need to do is take the lid off the tank, and you should have a small red flapper tongue. Okay, there's two styles. There's a flapper tongue, and then there's a cylinder. Generally, the flapper tongues are the ones that are a problem, and they go bad. They get old, they get dry, and they stop sealing the bowl, and water starts seeping through eventually, and that creates the fill valve to go on and off all night long while your husband's in a nice deep sleep, dreaming about his golf game this weekend. So what you want to do is you want to drain down the tank, flush the toilet, make sure the valve is shut off. And if you could just pull that little red tongue out of there, it's attached to the chain. They just pop right out. They have two ears, one on the left and the right, and it just pops right off. You might have a little difficulty because it's probably old and stiff. So get that out, and then what you want to do is take that down to the hardware store or Home Depot. They make a universal style flapper valve tongue that goes in there. So, generally they're pretty easy to replace. The hardest part will be maybe hooking back up that chain onto the lever. Just pop that tongue back in place, and then wipe clean where the tongue seals. Make sure there's no, any debris or anything on there that's going to hang that tongue up. But 9 times out of 10, that usually takes care of the problem, and you can get a good night's sleep again. But that's a great question. So thanks for tuning in, you guys and girls. And keep following me on my Ask Antonio segment. Ask me any questions you want. I generally will definitely have an answer for you. And that's it. Okay, guys and girls, have a great time, whatever you're doing, and we'll see you soon.